What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, sorry for the background noise, we are going to be installing the Type R front lip, which will complete the body kit that we have on the Civic. Issue is, I didn't know how to jack up the car, so I had to go from the rear and then take out the jack and then go to the side of it. So kind of like this here, let me show you. So I put a jack stand on the rear and then I have to jack up the car. But before you jack up the side, go ahead and turn the wheel, because what we're gonna do first for the front lip, we're gonna actually screw it into the front bumper on the side, from this side and the other side before. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna line it up, and then you're gonna put 2 or 3 screws, however many you want. I'm gonna put 2, and yeah, it should be good. As you can see, I turned the wheel, and then I was able to easily access this, drill it in. And I'm just putting one at the top for now, just to get it lined up. I'm gonna lift the car, and then I'm gonna start bolting the front, and I'll show you. So now that we got it lifted up, as you can see, there is like this little flap right here, and that's where you're gonna put all your screws. Now, there's like a little lip here, and that lip is gonna go in front of here, so you gotta kind of pull it out to get the best fitment, and then go from the side or from the corner to the middle for the best fitment with screws. So let's go ahead and do that. Guys, as you can see, I kind of lined up the lip there, and then what I did is I pulled and I screwed it in as I was pulling to get the best fitment. So I'm gonna do that side, and then we're gonna work our way to the middle. As you can see, I worked my way to the middle, and then I threw an extra one right here because I felt like this spot needed a little bit more help. Finally, I'm gonna throw one more right here and on the other side, and then it should be complete. Oof. Alright guys, that's the final look right there of the whole Type R like body kit, I guess you can say. But that front lip, wow, look at that. It's not too aggressive, which is like what I wanted, but it gives it some spice, you know. That is beautiful. Guys, so if you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and notification, so you know when a new video comes out. Whew, I'm sweating. Alright, now wait before you guys go. I know I said this like 3 videos ago, but just wait, I'm still gonna review all the parts on my car. And yeah, other than that, have a beautiful day. Spread love, not hate, you already know. I'll see you guys next time.